This is clarification for the homework on section 1.8. And what we need to see is how I want the answers. So you got two different scenarios. Please read those scenarios. And you're going to tell me if it's linear, which means a line, and nonlinear, so anything besides a line. On the x-intercept and the y-intercept, I want order pairs. So I'm looking for something like this. So it can give me the intersection of the x and y axis. For this one right here, it says, is there a line of symmetry? You're going to answer yes or no. If it is a yes, you're going to write the value of x and where these two sides will look the same. On the positive and negative, the function is either positive or negative. So you're just going to make one check mark on the positive or the negative. I don't need an x. I don't need anything else on that negative part. So just whatever answer you think it is, I'm just going to ask for a check mark. This part is where we probably need the most clarification. I told you how to indicate where something is increasing or decreasing, but I didn't tell you how to give me the answer. How you give me this answer is that this function is increasing from 0 all the way, and it keeps going and going and going on the positive infinity direction. How we write the answer is this way. We're going to start at the 0 and then keep going to positive infinity. Infinity cannot be included, so we put it with an open parenthesis. A closed parenthesis. Infinity is never included, so we need a close a parenthesis. And then this one would be considered a bracket. So if you'll turn your paper over like this, I want you to make a bracket, and I want you to say that this means that the point is included. And when it's like a parentheses, sorry, that looks like a C, but it's a parentheses, means that the point is not included. We really won't need this information in Algebra 1, but you will need it later, so you need to know. And also telling you that infinity is not included. Okay, extremes. What I want is the x value of the extreme. I will also accept order pairs. So if you'll tell me the order pair of an extreme if it exists. If it doesn't exist, you can write in A like not applicable. None, in behavior. What we're talking about for in behavior is just what is the in doing, and for this one it looks like it's going up. For number 2, we're looking at all the same concepts. What I want to make sure that you understand is how to write increasing and decreasing. So let's understand the graph first. These arrows tell us that it's going to keep going on forever. That means that I can start somewhere in negative infinity and keep going up to this point right here, 3. And at 3, it stops increasing. So from negative infinity, which we cannot include infinity, to positive 3, which is included on the graph, it is increasing. So decreasing starts at the negative 3, which is included, and it goes on forever, and it starts going down and down and down forever, which means that towards the positive direction of x, it is decreasing into infinity. So we're talking about extremes. Where is that location of that extreme? And then the in behavior. This one has the same in behavior on both ends of the graph. On this one, it only has one in behavior because this is the start of the graph.